Video Cards did an article on the Vic on YT. Is that what this channel is actually called?
Здорово, парни!
Oh, lordy, this is...
Сегодня у нас с вами будет очередное видео про модификацию памяти на видеокартах, но сегодня будем говорить про...
Okay, that is Russian AF. I absolutely love it. At least I hope that's Russian. It could be another sort of whatever those types of languages are called with the
Cyrillic?
Yeah, Cyrillic characters. I don't know. Anyway, the point is, the YouTuber successfully modified an RTX 2070 to have 16 gigs of VRAM instead of the standard 8. After accessing leaked NVIDIA PCB diagrams for the 2080 SKU, he replaced the old Micron models with Samsung modules and then changed the resistors into a different binary code for the RAM CFG jumpers. The modified card works and actually registers successfully as 16 gigs VRAM. However, there was a significant performance loss, at least in 3D Mark Time Spy. So the average 2070 score is 9,100 points, and his 16 gig card got 6,100 points. So it's a little significant there, and it's unstable and quickly fails in Furmark. But similar modifications can apparently be made to a few other NVIDIA GPUs to double the standard VRAM. The 1050 and 1050 Ti can go from 2 to 4 gigs. The 1060 can go from 3 to 6 gigs. And it should be noted this does not work with the 1070, 1080, or 1080 Ti. If you want to modify your own 2070 because you like voided warranties and worse performance and instability, Samsung 16 gig GDDR6 modules can be found on AliExpress for roughly $200 US. That is to say 16 gigs worth of Samsung GDDR6 modules. I think that card has 8 chips, so it would be 2 gigabytes per module. Don't quote me on that. I can't remember off the top of my head.